Hey guys, your girl is back in the kitchen. Today's video I am going to show you how to make the best chicken veggies stir fry. Before I get started, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more recipe. Remember, I am going to add the measurement on the description box below. If you'd like, you can just go and check it out. If you want to see how I make the best and easiest chicken veggies stir fry, please stay tuned. Here I am starting with the veggies. I'm showing you how to cut the broccoli first. We are cutting the broccoli into pieces. Remember, I already washed my broccoli. It's clean and well washed. And I transfer the broccoli into a bowl and keep doing the same for the other veggies. Now I am going to cut the onion. First of all, I am taking off the first skin. It looks nice. I washed all my veggies before start cooking them. I never cook veggies without washing them. As you can notice how I did with my onion into a bowl, and keep doing the same process for the carrots. And now I have two sweet bell pepper. They are small, but the red one is bigger than the orange one. It doesn't matter. You can use as many as you want. I use these two little sweet bell pepper. And then it's time for the chicken. Guys, I am using chicken thigh, the boneless chicken thigh. My chicken is already washed and clean. I'm not gonna remember to tell you that. Go ahead and skip this ad. And those are all my ingredients I am going to use. So remember, I am going to add the measurement on the description box below. This is the easiest chicken veggies. I am showing you all I have for my recipe. And this is the last thing. I have a small cup of honey. And then guys, I am starting season the chicken. I am using my seasoning. I have paprika, I have salt, black pepper, creole seasoning, give it a nice mix, and then let it sit for 15 minutes. In a separate pan, I am going to start cooking the veggies. Remember guys, the veggies not supposed to be overcooked because you know this is broccoli. Nobody like mushy veggies. And then I am going to start a quick combination with cornstarch, soy sauce, some water, and my honey. This is a combination I made for the chicken because you know cornstarch give you know so much like taste with the chicken, so that's why I'm using cornstarch, and it makes the chicken thick. Give it a nice mix and then pour it into the chicken. When you finish to pour it into the chicken, mix them up. And in a hot pan, I am adding some vegetable oil. I'm sorry guys, some olive oil to start frying the chicken. Remember the oil supposed to be hot. Did you see that? The oil is hot because you know when it's hot it prevents the chicken to release water, so that's why you have to make sure the chicken is hot. The oil is hot. I am adding half of the chicken because you know it can take all the same time, so that's why I'm adding half, and the other half I save it for after. Once it's nice and golden, we're going to transfer it into a bowl. You see how nice it is and golden? And keep doing the same process for the rest. This chicken veggies guys, this is the best chicken veggies. Remember to do it and let me know in the comment down below. Tell me how was it. If you like it, I'm sure you're gonna like it because that was so good. And then as you can notice, I am salted my garlic and onion. Give it a quick mix. When it's done, we are going to add the peppers, the bell peppers, and the broccoli and carrot. You see how it is? It's so nice. It looks so good. And now we are adding the veggies. Remember to always mix up your veggies. We don't need any veggies burnt. So now I am adding my soy sauce. I have half of it left, so I am adding the leftover. And finally adding your chicken. This is so nice looking. I am sure you can't wait to try it. I made another combination, guys. The same things I did for the chicken. I did the same to add into the chicken, into all together, because it's gonna make my chicken veggies thick and nice and delicious. Here we go, guys. This is the final result. I know you were enjoying watching it. That was so easy and tasty. Oh my god, guys, try it and let me know in the comment down below, how was it? Remember, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and share it, and see you to another video. Bye.